Wi-Fi is basically what we call wireless internet connection, and this is coming out of a building somewhere, or some kind of local place where they're broadcasting internet over kind of a different frequency than we get with cellular phones. Then we also have a cellular phone connection with our iPad that works just like when you use the internet on your phone or you send a text message. It's using that network. How do you tell the difference on your iPad? Well, if you're set up for a Wi-Fi, say it automatically popped up and said, "Do you want to join?" and you said yes, and there was no entry necessary, no subscriptions, no passwords, then up here on the upper left-hand side of your screen, along with the AT&T that we see because we know we're connected to them, you're going to see a little fan, and that fan means you're on wireless. And depending on the connection, it may be good or bad. If you've joined a wireless connection and it asks you for a password, or you realize it's a paid thing, you can go into settings and get off that Wi-Fi. So in your settings, on your left-hand side, you see Wi-Fi here. And right now, I'm connected to KLS Martin. Let's say, for instance, I don't want to be connected to KLS Martin. I don't like this network anymore. I'm going to tap on the little blue button over here, and I'm going to say forget this network. And I don't want to join it anymore. Automatically forget. So now I have no Wi-Fi, and if I go back to the Wi-Fi, I see that KLS Martin is available, but I don't want to join it for whatever reasons. And in the upper left-hand corner, I can see that I'm connected to 3G. Now, you can toggle this on and off when you're on an airplane, for instance, and you can take it off 3G. You can take it off 3G so you're not using the network when you're in Canada, for instance, or if you're going overseas. And the way you turn that off is going into cellular data and turn off cellular data. Okay, this will take you off the AT&T network. So if you're traveling overseas or Mexico or Canada, somewhere where we don't have AT&T plan, then you're going to want to do that. So I'm going to go back to Wi-Fi. And also, if you're tired of those messages popping up at you to ask you to join networks, you can turn that off here. So you'll no longer be prompted when you're in the vicinity of a wireless network. I'm going to go ahead and join KLS Martin again. So I'm going to click on, I'm going to click on KLS Martin, and it prompts me for a password. Sometimes when you open your browser, it'll ask you for a password, such as like GoGo Internet on Delta airplanes. So you'll look like you're connected, but then when you go to the internet, it asks you to log in to buy something. Okay, so I entered the password, and now I'm connected to KLS Martin. So that's 3G versus Wi-Fi for the iPad.